I can't believe this is finally happening. I seriously need this trip. You've been talking about it for months. You deserve it. Work has been so stressful lately. I just want to relax on a beach and do nothing. Honestly, same. Where are you going again? Miami. I found this really nice hotel near the beach. That sounds amazing. When's your flight? Tomorrow morning, 9 a.m. I already checked in online. Wow, you're actually prepared for once. Hey, I'm always prepared. Okay, maybe not always. Did you finish packing? Almost. I just need to pack my charger and a few outfits. Don't forget your passport. It's a domestic flight, Jess. Oh, right. Still, don't forget your ID. Relax. I've got everything under control. This trip is going to be perfect. Jessica? Hi, excuse me. My flight to Miami just got delayed. Do you have any updates?
Let me check that for you.
Thank you.
It looks like your flight has been delayed due to technical issues.
Oh, okay. How long is the delay?
Right now, it's estimated to be about 2 hours.
2 hours? That's a lot.
I understand. We're trying to resolve it as quickly as possible.
Is there any chance it could get canceled?
At the moment, it's still scheduled, but delays can change.
Oh, that's really frustrating. I had plans today.
I completely understand. You'll receive updates via text or email.
All right. Thank you. Jess, this is so annoying. What happened now? It's delayed by 2 hours, maybe more. Ugh, that's the worst. I had everything planned perfectly. Hotel check-in, dinner reservation, everything. I know, that's really frustrating. And they're not even sure if it'll get worse. Try to stay calm. These things happen. I just hate waiting around like this. Maybe grab some coffee or something? Yeah, I might do that. I just hope it doesn't get canceled. Fingers crossed. Keep me updated.
Attention passengers for Flight 452 to Miami.
Oh, that's my flight!
We regret to inform you that this flight has been further delayed.
You've got to be kidding me!
New departure time will be announced shortly.
Oh, this is unbelievable. Hi, I just heard the announcement. What's going on?
I'm sorry, the delay has been extended.
Do I have any other options?
We can try to rebook you on another flight.
Yes, please. I just want to get there today.
Good news, we found you a seat on a later flight tonight.
Really? That's a relief.
It departs at 8 p.m.
That's fine. I'll take it.
Here's your updated boarding pass.
Thank you so much. Finally got a new flight. I'm leaving tonight. Yay! See, it worked out. Yeah, not how I planned it, but I'm still going. That's all that matters. Enjoy your trip. I will. Nothing's stopping me now.